Hi guys, this is just in, another one of the blue guns from HFC. This is the 118. As always from these guys, the packaging is excellent. Let's open the box up. Inside, instruction manual, colour manual, really good information on there. The gun, beautiful packaging, small bag of BBs in this box here to get started with. Here's the gun. Good quality. This one is plastic. It feels solid in the hand. This gun is very simple to use. Simple pullback. Switch here. This is the magazine. Let's fill that up now. Let's show you how to put the BBs into the mag. Simply pull down this spring here and it locks into position just down here. So we'll do that now. There you go. On the side there's a little hole. This is where you insert them. You can pour them or manually insert them. I'm just going to drop them in. Once they're in there, put your finger over the top just in case they do fly out and release the spring. There you go, we've got a few in there. Let's see how that shoots. I'm using the .12 gram. I have shot 20 gram with this gun, so let's see how this goes. Insert the magazine. Nice, firm, solid. Straight away I can see the accuracy is very good, even with .12. As I say, I have shot .20 gram BBs with this gun, and it does increase the accuracy slightly, I would say, because this is actually very, spot on, very good. This gun's got incredible accuracy, very good. There you go, 118 blue handgun on the website now. Take a look. Very good quality. All plastic, there's no metal on this gun at all, but I've got to say that the weight is very good.